this video, we will know more about the document node. Let's quickly drag in the document node to the center of the screen. Click on the document node option and it's going to show us all the details on the right side. Here you can see the description of the node. Right below it is the node title. We will rename this from document to a presentation. Let's assume that we want to send a presentation to our audience. Whenever they visit our chatbot, we want to show them this presentation. And now this presentation is probably in a PDF format. We could also upload a PPT format, an Excel file, a zip file, a doc file. It could be a bunch of commonly used formats. You could upload any of those. So just for the demo purposes, we are going to upload a PDF file. Now there are certain limitations to it. The bigger file size you try to send, it's going to take longer time. So better it is that you send files, try to keep them under 6 MBs. That's going to be very fast, very convenient. So I'll just upload a file here. Alright, so I've uploaded a file here. I've called it demo. So I can also rename this file. I can call this a presentation. So it's totally flexible that way. Maybe you've downloaded a file, the name is not in proper order, but still here you can write the name of the file, and this is exactly how it's going to show to your customers. Now going below, there's the standard error message. You can leave it as it is, or if you want, you can change this message as well. Below that are some additional options where you can mark this as a start node, as an end node. You can assign inquiries based on the values on this node. You can skip this message while going reverse in order. When some person is trying to go back in the chat flow, you can skip this node if you want to. You can also resend this message when a customer sends an invalid response on the chatbot. You can also jump to the next message. It's completely optional. So let's quickly test this out. We'll connect the welcome node to this message. For your quick reference, I'll just hit the welcome message here again, and let's do a preview. So this is exactly how the welcome message looks like. It is basically an introduction to a company. So basically what we want is when somebody opens the chatbot, the welcome message comes first and then goes the presentation in the chatbot. So for that, we just have to double check that this message is jumping to the next message, which it is. So everything seems okay. Let's quickly save it. And one more thing which I missed out, we'll mark this as an end node because this is the end of the conversation. So we'll save this and we will go to our WhatsApp and we're going to type a 0 to test things out. So we've got a first message and there is a presentation.